Hey, Tristan here. Today we're going to go over email security within RepairDesk. This is super important to configure properly. We want to make sure that whenever we send customers emails about invoices or tickets, that those emails end up in their inbox and not in a junk email folder. Now, by default, in your RepairDesk account, these emails are going to come from an email address that looks like your subdomain at reply.repairdesk.co. And when customers reply to those email notifications, you'll be able to see those replies within RepairDesk, whether it be in tickets or in RepairDesk Connect. Now, let's say that we didn't want those emails to come from the RepairDesk domain. Let's say that instead we wanted it to come from our custom domain. Totally doable. We'll go to the Store Settings module to configure that. We'll come down to the bottom where it says email and access. And right here, you want to populate this field with your custom domain email. Now, I do recommend using a custom domain here. Don't use a global provider like Google, Yahoo, or Hotmail. For one, from a customer-facing perspective, it looks better to be a custom domain. And for two, global provider emails are going to be more prone to end up in a junk email folder. After you've populated the email address, go ahead and select Verify. After that, you'll have the option to enable Receive All Emails within RepairDesk. By default, you'll be able to receive all of the replies to those emails. So if we send from info@myrepairstore.com a ready for pickup email and a customer replies to that, we'll be able to see that reply within RepairDesk. What this does is it says emails that are not relative to replies. Anything that's sent to that email address, can I see it within RepairDesk? If you enable that, then that's enabled and you're good to go. Now let's see what this looks like from a DNS perspective. When you first configure email in your domain, it should create an SPF record that looks something like this. Now, if you don't have this SPF record, that's okay. I'm going to show you how to create one in just a second. If you already have one, awesome. We just need to make one minor edit to it. This is RepairDesk's IP address. If you plug this IP address into the middle of this SPF record, what you're doing is you're telling your domain, RepairDesk is a trusted source, and I'm okay with them sending and receiving emails on my behalf. So if you already have this SPF record, plug in that IP address similar to this, and you're good to go. It's done. Now let's change things up a little bit. Let's say that you want to send emails from notifications@myrepairstore.com, but when customers reply, the reply to email address needs to be different, say info@myrepairstore.com. You can set that up in your domain as an email forward. Now let's say that this SPF record does not exist. That's okay, we can create it. If you take this SPF record exactly as it's listed, and you see it has that IP address right there in the middle, let's go over to a platform like GoDaddy and see what it looks like to plug in this DNS record. We'll add a new record, and it needs to be a text record. You could call it anything. We'll just call it RepairDesk. And then you'll paste that value and then select Save. Once it's saved, you are good to go. And that is email security within RepairDesk.